Mr.Beast is an American YouTuber who's well known for the outrageous stuff in his videos, such as counting to 100,000 in one video, donating money to Twitch streamers, tipping pizza delivery guys $10,000, and many others. What we don't know is the work behind all of his videos, as well as how much money he actually makes and also invests into the business. We all probably think that his millions come just from YouTube, but in reality, 75% of his revenue doesn't even come from there. Here is a list of all the income streams Mr.Beast has. Let's get into it. Number 1. YouTube ads. YouTube is one of the best platforms for creators when it comes to paychecks, and Jimmy made sure to take advantage of that, as well as many others. Mr.Beast started his first channel in 2012. The channel was called Mr.Beast 6000, and he was only 13 years old. Now he has 7 different channels, where he shows love to his subscribers by giving them money and donating to other people in need. Let's actually calculate how much he earns from YouTube ads alone. Based on his CPM, which can be between $6 and $8, and his monthly views, Mr.Beast makes between $100,000 and $150,000 a day, which means $54 million a year. And if you want to add another $20 million on top for the other 6 channels he has, that will leave him with $74 million alone from YouTube every year. I can't even imagine what his accountant must be going through. Number 2. YouTube sponsorship. Mr.Beast is a genius when it comes to sponsorships, and because of his amazing following, big brands like Honey and War Robots pay him $150,000 for his gaming channel and $390,000 for his main YouTube channel per video. He usually makes 1 sponsored video a month on his main channel and 2 to 3 sponsored videos on his other channel, leaving him with $840,000 a month from sponsorships alone, meaning he gets an estimated $10 million a year. Number 3. Merchandise. One thing that we clearly see Jimmy loves is taking his business seriously. On his website, you can find different cool things to buy, such as hoodies, joggers, and hats. His merchandise team has over 30 people working on it. Not only that, but he also did a partnership with big brands like Nike and Champions. According to Google, in 2020, Mr.Beast made $70,000 a day in merchandise. Now that his following has doubled, he probably makes $140,000 a day, easy. But how does Mr.Beast actually sell that much merch? He uses a mix between the limited edition strategy and social media promotion.
B, don't put it on a check, it won't work. 70,000 more to go. Let's begin the time lapse.
The total income from merch is around $51 to $55 million a year on merchandise alone. So how much money does Mr.Beast actually make annually? Based on what we've seen, he gets around $74 million a year from ads. He also receives $10 million a year from sponsorships and $55 million a year from his merch, leaving him with a total of $139 million a year. But like every rich person always says, you need to invest money to make money, and that's what Mr.Beast likes to do. Not only does he invest $600,000 a video into rent, employers, and consultants, but he also gives millions of dollars a month to people in need and friends. And in case you're wondering who pays the tax on his giveaways, he's extra nice and pays for it all. He's not only entertaining the subscribers he has, but he also inspires them to be better people and help those in need. Thanks for watching. If you made it this far and enjoy watching our content, we'd really appreciate it if you gave a like, comment, or subscribed. And don't forget to turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. This is Luxcess, and we are here to inspire.